doing breath work. That helps. Check on your cortisol levels, darling. That will send you out of whack. You be stuck like that. Oh, I'm gonna do, it never happens. It never fucking happens. Cortisol levels are too high. Look, when you clean up your shit, you have so much to clean up that fuck what people are saying. Who cares? You're not around them motherfuckers. Plus, people act crazy when they know their time is coming. They start laughing, giggling, talking shit. Yeah, talking that shit to yourself. They won't do it in your face. They put it in writing. Get your shit together.